action today, and there's a lot to fight for, with every point gained so crucial to their chances of... Hello everyone, welcome along to the Pre-Zero Arena. That's our home for the day. I'm Guy Mowbray, joined for commentary by Stuart Robson, and we've got live Bundesliga action on the way. What are your expectations from this?
Well, both teams know they need to start the game well here, try to dominate the midfield area and get their creative players on the ball. This should be an interesting game, I think.
This is the Hoffenheim lineup. Just needs the composure now. And we haven't had to wait long for the opening goal. It's 1-0.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
So it's 1-0 as the ball gets rolling again. Angelino. Sofian Rahimi. Positive play on the front foot. They won't take it from him there. I'm afraid that's careless. Ceballos. Adam Hlojek. Moving the ball around well here. Hlojek. Yeah, surely. It's there. A goal that draws them back on level terms.
Well, I have to say, he's done really well here. He's in the right place and then a decent finish. That's a good goal.
Away we go again at 1-1. This is getting the fans interested now. Well, it looked promising, but only up to a point. Chance here. It's in. That gives them the lead, and well deserved, you have to say.
Well, here's the replay. He does well to find that bit of space in the box, and then he shows a lot of composure to finish it off. That's a good goal.
So it's 2-1 as the game restarts. Really well done. This could lead to something. It's the upright. Oh, that's incredible! You don't see diving headers often these days, and it makes that even more special. All square once more. Is there to be more goals here? Good strength on show to keep the ball.
Skill, strength and awareness. Really well played.
20 minutes left to play. Read his mind there. Good vision. Now it's on for them. It's in, and it was always going to go in, with nobody in the way.
Well, as you can see, the defending is really poor, but he won't mind. It's a simple finish for him.
So they kick off with only a few minutes left to respond. Looking attack this. Good job done to keep it. Berger. And it's all over, with the away fans able to celebrate the win and the 3 points.
It was very competitive. Chances at both.
A manager who has constructed a fortress here at home, but today a real challenge. Can they defend their unbeaten run, or will this be the end of their dominance? Hello everyone, the heavens opened earlier and the rain shows no inclination to stop. We're looking forward to the game anyway. I'm Derek Ray and my commentary partner here on the gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And we have live action from the Bundesliga coming right up. What are you expecting to see?
Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
Erdmedin Demirovic. Well, a good tackle. Well, he can't really hide from this in statistical terms. Not facing one of his favourite opponents.
Yeah, but it doesn't take much to turn things around. A good start will be important, though.
Oh, wait a minute. They could well be in. In it goes! The goal for 1-0, and that changes the dynamic.
Well, as the replay shows, it all started with that perfectly weighted ball over the top of the back line. While the movement in the box is equal to it, it's such good timing. What a goal.
Well, back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens. 5 minutes remaining, and one thing is certain, no one is leaving, because it's still close. Adam. Promising possession, this. Beautiful pass. Able to deal with the threat. And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. And there goes the final whistle. And the home fans are going to be happy about this outcome.
Yes, Derek, there wasn't much in it.
Our cameras on one man, in fantastic form and the top scorer in the league. And hello to you from the metropolis on the River Main, the city of Frankfurt. We're at the Deutsche Bank Park. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide you with all the tactical talk, is Sue Smith. And we have live action from the Bundesliga coming right up. What are you expecting?
Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them their final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
So the initial 11 for the home side.
It's a 4-5-1, or you could say a 4-2-3-1. This does offer plenty of threat going forward with the three behind the central striker.
Hello.
Yeah, you could see that one coming, couldn't you?
Only 5 minutes left for play and tension galore with the teams locked together. If they can finish here, that might be that. But they dealt with the threat posed. And teammates around him. Brilliant pass. Crossing into the middle. Turning the ball away. Goalkeeping excellence there. And there goes the final whistle.